In this tutorial we are going to send some bitcoins between our accounts. First of all, we create another account for free in the test network. Second, on the main menu we press the button Send and then we select the account we want to use to send bitcoins from. Now on this screen we can fill all the data related to the transaction. First we have to fill the public key address of the account we want to send the money to. In our case, we are going to move money between our own accounts, so we select an address from our own wallets. Next, we have to set the amount we want to send. The miner's fee is what you want to pay to the miners so they can work and make your transaction a reality. In this combo box, you can select between different options. The fastest fee is the fee that you could pay, so you get the top priority to perform the transaction. Half-hour fee and hour fee are options that allow the transaction to be performed in that period of time. The minimum estimated fee. This is a value I have chosen doing multiple tests, and it's usually less than 20 cents of US dollar. It could be possible that the transaction could not be accepted if you go with a lower fee. Next, we fill the subject of the transaction, so on the other side they have some information related to it. It's time to press the Pay button. Now we can see a summary of the transaction and we can proceed to do the final confirmation to run it. Since we have chosen the minimum estimated fee, the transaction could take some time to be accepted. Finally, we can see how the balance of the affected accounts have changed accordingly.